Ouch! That's really hot!
Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
Did I just burn you? Please tell me I didn't.
It hurts! Why is it so hot? I've been working all morning. I feel so tired.
You should take a break. What do you need?
I'm hungry, but I just want something warm.
Say the word. I'll make it for you.
Maybe a cup of hot cocoa. That sounds nice.
Hot cocoa? Easy. Leave it to me. You sit and relax. I'll make the best cocoa you've ever had.
Okay, I trust you.
Why is the fridge so empty?
Because somebody forgot to go grocery shopping.
There must be something here.
Please don't experiment today.
Cocoa powder.
Is it still good?
Of course. It smells fine.
That's not how you check.
How many spoons do you use?
2, not 5.
You usually add hot water and stir, right?
Yes, and don't rush it.
See? I remember everything.
Just be careful.
I even have a secret method.
Wait, it's overflowing.
It's all under control.
I don't think so.
Here comes the best cocoa ever.
Thank you, that smells... It's burning!
Oh no.
It really hurts. It really hurts.
I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. What do I do? What do I do?
Ice. We need ice.
Hurry, it's really hot.
I've got the ice. Whoa!
Watch out. Are you hurt?
I'm okay. I think I'm okay. It's fine. Don't worry about me.
I am already worried.
Here, this will help.
Wrap it first, please.
Where's the towel?
In the drawer. The big one.
Oh no, not again.
Seriously?
Stay there, I'll fix it.
Just be careful.
It's still clean, I think.
Please don't guess. My hand is still burning.
I know, I'm trying. Is this better?
A little, but it still hurts.
Wait here. I have an idea.
Please let it be a good one.
I was saving this for later.
What are you doing?
Surprise. This is for you.
Now?
Oops, that wasn't smooth.
You think? It's cracked.
No. I swear it was perfect before.
It's okay. Sort of. My hand still hurts.
Right. Focus. I need another plan. Toothpaste helps cool things down, right?
Are you sure?
This will fix it fast.
Why is it everywhere?
Oh my God.
You look ridiculous.
This is not funny.
can't help it.
At least you're smiling. I'll make another one, perfectly this time.
Please be careful.
See? Calm and steady.
Check the temperature.
It should be fine.
You said that before.
Oh, ow, that's hot.
Now you know.
Okay, lesson learned.
I hope so.
We have a first aid kit.
It's on the top shelf.
Hold the chair for me.
Please don't fall again.
I've got it, almost.
Be careful.
Why is this happening?
You look like a snowman.
This is not helping.
At least you're trying. Oh.
Hi, Mom.
It's not what it looks like.
It kind of is. It's burning, Mom.
I tried to fix it.
This feels better.
So water is the right way?
Be sure to use aloe vera, not toothpaste, to treat the burn.
No toothpaste?
No toothpaste.
Cool water, not ice. Got it.
Exactly. It's less red now.
Thank goodness. I made such a mess.
You did.
I just wanted to take care of you.
I know. You don't have to be perfect.
I just don't want to hurt you.
Does it still hurt?
A little, but it's okay.
I'm reading about burns now.
Good idea.
It says keep it under cool running water for at least 10 minutes.
See? Simple.
Next time, I'll do it right.
Hopefully there's no next time.
I'm really sorry.
I forgive you.
I love you so much.
I love you too, my love.
I'll clean everything.
Thank you.
Maybe I should take cooking lessons.
That would help. Start with boiling water.
Very funny.
At least we survived today.
Barely.
I'll buy a new set.
We'll choose it together.
This one can remind us.
Of what?
Of my terrible cocoa skills.
And your big heart.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, much better now.
Tell me if it hurts again.
I will.
It says don't pop any blisters.
Good to know.
I'll be more careful from now on.
That's all I need.
Next weekend, I'll just order cocoa.
Deal.